Hey, and welcome back. This is Jeremy, and today, like I said, we're going to do like a little mini project here, and we're just going to recycle some of our what we did with our switch statement. So we're going to change this up a little bit. You know how we have it right here? It says, "Please enter a grade," and basically just spits back out what the grade was. Well, what if we make an if-else statement above there, so that allows you to put in your numerical value, and then spits out the corresponding grade for you? Well, let's give it a shot. So basically, we don't need any of this code anymore. So we need to make a new question for the user. So let's see, enter a numeric grade. Sure, sounds good. All right. I forgot I added this double. Put a little note there to remind myself. So we're going to use this double because grade could be 90.25 or whatever. So right here we're going to say grade equals kb dot next double. So we have this. So we're going to get rid of this choice here. We're going to call this letter grade because it just makes a little more sense to call it that. And then we'll copy this, change this choice here. There's our switch statement to letter grade. Now we have an error, so we have to initialize this char. So I'm going to give it some random value of z. It really doesn't matter. You could even give it 0 if you want to. I guess it'd be the ASCII 0. I'm going to use z. That's fine. Let's see. Where were we? Okay, so actually, let's do below this. We're going to put it right here. We're going to do an if statement. So if grade is, let's see, what, greater than or equal to 90. Oops. Space that out a little bit. And we're just going to say letter grade equals A. And I'm going to test this real quick, and I think I already know of a problem we're going to have. Yeah, that's what I thought. And I did right. I pressed the, didn't give it a numeric value. I just typed in a letter grade. My bad. So since we took all those breaks out of the switch statement, we need to put them back in. So one thing we gotta fix. I'm just gonna copy and paste. Make sure we get the corresponding breaks that we want, or statements we want. So enter an A. Not an A. Did it again. I need to put a warning just for myself. What a 98. There you go. Enter it in A. Awesome. Okay. So we'll put our else if and grade is greater than or equal to 80. Sure, the 10-point scale system works for me. Okay, so this will equal a B. And then we have else if grade is greater than or equal to 70. Yeah, 70. Letter grade equals a C. And else if grade is greater than or equal to 60. I think that should be our D, right? Yeah, our D. Oops. Letter grade equals D. And for our else statement, I'm thinking we could just say letter grade equals that, and it should give us an error. So let's test this real quick. So let's give it something crazy like 10. Okay, so I don't understand, like, what? Now we should actually probably add another one for an F, and we don't have a D in here. Let's put a D in there, I guess. Control copy. There you go. Let's put D. Okay. Like I said, it's not fully. Actually, if anything else, it should just be an F, right? If it's below a 16, you failed that class. Make that an F. There we go. And control copy. Add another case statement. We'll call it F. There we go. So it should start off as for a numeric value. It's going to capture that value, put it into grade. In grade, we're going to use an if else statement to check to see where that grade falls into. Assign a char value to the variable letter grade. Then we're going to use our switch statement to print back out to the user what their corresponding letter grade is for the numeric grade they put in. And we could put other checks in here as well. For example, since I keep putting in the mismatch type all the time, we could put like a check in there to but that's a little beyond the scope of this right now. But at least this kind of gives you a good example of all the stuff that we've learned so far with the if into the switch and stuff like that. Now, could this been done easier? Well, yeah, we could just put um, all the print statements in here and just print out the letter grade. But we can show some use for the if and the else and the switch statements. So hopefully you have a better understanding of everything that's going on here. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. I really appreciate it. Until then, you guys have a great day. We'll see you later.